Fish oil for over 60, heart health, dosage, and side effects. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know if you're someone over 60 who's curious about how fish oil is commonly used for heart support, what supplement labels usually show, and the side effects people often mention. If you've been searching for fish oil for over 60, this quick breakdown will help you understand the essentials so you can feel informed in just a few minutes. This video is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Many older adults look into fish oil because research suggests that the omega-3 fatty acids in it, EPA and DHA, may support overall heart wellness. As people age, maintaining healthy heart function and normal triglyceride levels becomes even more important, and that's why fish oil is frequently discussed in general wellness sources. Some individuals also say they feel it helps with joint comfort or staying more mobile, although experiences vary widely from person to person. These points are based on common research and general user reports, not personalized health recommendations. If you've checked the fish oil label before, you've probably seen two main numbers: the total amount of fish oil and the specific amounts of EPA and DHA inside it. Some brands use concentrated forms that increase omega-3 levels per capsule. Supplement labels commonly highlight whether the oil comes from wild-caught fish, whether it has been purified to reduce contaminants, and whether it has been tested for heavy metals. These are simply product details manufacturers include to help consumers compare options, not a guide for what you personally should use. One of the most common questions people over 60 ask is about timing. Many supplement labels mention taking fish oil with a meal because omega-3s are fat-based nutrients, and pairing them with food may help with absorption. This is just what manufacturers generally suggest. Studies don't point to a single best time of day. Most people simply choose the time that fits their routine. If you take medications for blood pressure, heart rhythm, or blood clotting, timing and safety should always be discussed with your healthcare provider first. Side effects are another reason seniors do extra research before trying fish oil. The most reported ones include mild digestive upset, fishy aftertaste, or softer stools, especially when starting a new product. Some individuals prefer enteric-coated versions because they're designed to reduce burping or aftertaste. Fish oil may also interact with certain medications, which is why speaking with a healthcare professional is important before adding anything new. Again, this is general information, not medical advice. Before considering any supplement, the safest step is to talk with your doctor. They can review your medications, check your overall health, and determine whether an omega-3 product aligns with your needs. Every person over 60 is different, and your provider can give personalized guidance that online videos cannot.